All right, so we finally done it. Got the traction bar kit installed on the Integra. This is a case swap, as you may know. This is like about $100 kit. You just use your factory bolts back in place. You're gonna hold the bracket in. You put your spacers and a nut and bolt that comes with the traction bar kit. And you remove your factory tow hitches from the front, and the wheel is going to vibrate and move around, so I just turn it a little bit to put some tension on the wheel. All right, first impressions with the traction bar kit installed on this Acura Integra on a case swap. Immediately pulling out of the driveway, going in reverse. Usually that reverse gear goes nyang, 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 nyang. I didn't hear that, which probably means obviously my front lower control arms are more stable and my wheels aren't going back and forth, putting pressure on the gears off and on. So just reversing, I liked it. Going straight and turning, the car is actually smoother. It's not rigid, it's actually smoother and tighter, and it's smooth. So let's get these first impressions, see what's happening here. It's quieter, no noise. Whatever noise I used to have is gone. The vibrations that I used to get at low RPMs between 1500 and like 2000, or pretty much between 1 and 2000 RPMs, those vibrations are gone as well. Very smooth, very quiet. How does it affect turning? You can kind of feel, you get more feedback, but I don't feel that it affects the car in a bad way at all. I did feel a little bit of vibrations up in the higher RPM where I never felt vibrations before, but it doesn't feel like a big deal at all. Turning is just a little bit tighter on the wheel, but I don't feel anything else other than that. Usually I'm able to take sharp turns in this car doing about 25 miles an hour. We're gonna try that out. A lot more power delivery, a lot more. Turning is so much better. Yeah, grippier. This is a manual steering rack, so it's not hydraulic, so it doesn't turn that sharply and easily. But with the traction bars in place, I'm able to make a sharper turn with turning the wheel less. I don't have to turn the wheel as much to get a sharp turn like I used to. It's more responsive. But after you make a half turn and you're gonna do more, the steering wheel gets a little bit tighter. But I like it. I don't have a problem with it. I think it's for the better. at least it's not me that's pulled over.
Yeah, but we don't want to be next.
Don't want to be next. And it looks really nice. There's another turn we can take here. Alright, tell me what you think about the turn. Here we go. That was a 40-mile-an-hour turn.
Wow,
yeah. Not a sound. Oh my god, I love this car more every day. I might not even go turbo, man. It's just so practical right now, you know?
Because wouldn't turbo make
it
more
faster?
stress? No, but besides that, right?
Yeah, stressing the internal parts.
engine.
Yeah. It depends how much horsepower you tune it for and how much you beat on that level of horsepower. Because you can have a car that's 500 horsepower, but you don't get that 500 horsepower until like 5,000 or 6,000 RPM. And I'm not always going to do that.
Yeah.
And I'm not always going to dog it at that. Dude, even the idling feels smoother. I don't even feel the car.
Because, actually, wasn't last time when
you can't even feel the car idling, man.
That I told you, isn't there like something rattling? Yeah.
It's gone, whatever it was, dude. Shit runs like a new car. It runs like a new car. That's the review, boys.